I'm Lydia. I work on Claude Code here at Anthropic, and today we're launching Claude Tag, which lets Claude collaborate right alongside your team. At Anthropic, we've been tagging Claude in for most of this year, so honestly, all of this is just how we work now. And across Anthropic, Claude Tag opens 65% of our product pull requests. So for example, here, we have a team about a week out from shipping a product. So what's going on in engineering? Drew heard from a sales rep that one feature, scheduled exports, is the thing their biggest deals are waiting on. He doesn't own it, so he asked the person who does. Notice that this is all multiplayer. Nadia texts Claude, then Claude keeps up with the group thread, reacting to product decisions made in real time. It opens the PR, and it lands the change. And the cool part is that Claude knew what the feature was and where in the codebase to go. It scoped each channel and the context each team has, and over time, it builds memory as the work happens. Claude knows here that what it just pushed affects launch marketing. Claude keeps the team moving without the typical cross-team communication lag. Also, notice that Priya didn't open Drive. Claude made the edit itself. It has its own account and its own permissions. Claude has access to the systems it needs on a per team, per channel basis. So Claude in the legal channel can see contract information. In the engineering channel, it edits the code base. But if you tag Claude in the legal channel to edit the code base, it won't. Not because it's being polite, but because it literally cannot see it. Memory respects the same boundaries, so what it learned in a private channel or a DM stays there. And just to repeat, Claude has its own account, so every credential used is logged. Tagging in Claude has changed how I work and how our teams at Anthropic work. Just add Claude to one channel, tag it in, and see what happens. Let us know what you think.